Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's pack your bag. So today we are in Orlando, Florida, and we are in Universal, and we are going to explore so many rides here today. So we are going towards an island of adventure. Next we are entering Toon Lagoon water rides. This is looking like my favorite area. And here is a big tip for the visitors. If you ride these attractions, you will get soaked. So please bring your poncho or your raincoats or quick dry clothes. So first spot is Dudley rides Ripsaw Falls. So this is the time for the wet zone, and waiting time for this ride is 45 minutes. This ride slowly climbs through a funny cartoon scene, but the final drop is really huge. You see the entire park ahead of you, then splash. Water explodes everywhere. We were already soaked. This theme is hilarious, but that 75-foot drop is no joke. After this ride, we got absolutely drenched. After this ride, your shoes will become small swimming pools, and if you value your dry clothes, then skip this. You can also watch our one full day ultimate guide for Universal Studios and Island of Adventure. Video links are given in description box. So this was our today's video. If you liked our video, don't forget to press the like button. To join us on this adventurous journey, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Have a great one.